So yeah, doing an oil change in the parking lot. There's gonna be a whole separate video, and it's gonna be interesting. All right, so first things first, obviously we have to get to our stuff. I got this is where I'm gonna put my oil in. It's an empty can from last time. I got plenty of oil, plus I have oil in my car that I could use. And I'm just gonna make sure I have everything here. I have a 2006 Jetta. I got a brand new drain plug, filter, O-ring, and those are the numbers. Alrighty, tools needed for the job. We got floor jack, socket set, a couple of Torx. I forget which one this is. This is a T30 and a T20. You got jack stands. You need something to put your oil in. You need your oil filter, drain plug. I got my torque wrench. I'm gonna put down some plastic just in case there's a mess. I do have this, what is this, the 32 millimeter socket I bought for my oil cap filter. Screw gun just to help me speed up the process. All right, so one last thing I forgot to tell you, bring a tire chuck. You can get them at Harbor Freight for like a couple bucks. We got my oil pan. I'm just gonna drain this. So, oil is draining. I highly recommend putting down a little bit of plastic. This is my second time doing it. Actually, this is my first time doing it into this bottle, so it's a little tricky. I think next time I'll have practically no oil on the plastic, but we're doing good. It's draining. We're gonna put the plug back in a couple seconds. Change the oil. What do I got here? Obviously you pull the dipstick. This is my oil filter cap that gets tightened down to, I believe, 25 Newton meters. The drain plug is 30 Newton meters. That's all done. I put my skid guard back up, the T30s and the T25s. Put 4.5 quarts of oil in it. Start it up, let it run for a couple seconds. I'd say like 30 seconds. Shut it off, check the oil. If it needs a little bit, add some. Go over, pull the caps. Relatively easy, set them to the side. I usually break, ooh, that one's a little rusty. I usually break them loose before I jack it up all the way. Same thing with the rear, pull the caps. And this is before you jack anything up. The weight of the car will help the wheels not move as much. All right, time to jack the car up. Find your spot. Get in there. Always be cautious of pinch points. Obviously, I don't recommend everyone changing their oil or rotating their tires in a parking lot. But if you're actually semi-handy and you don't want to waste time, I recommend it. And there we go. All right, wheels are up. Taking the lugs off. Remember, just rotate them front to back and bring your tire to the rear right away. Don't sit it there because you're gonna forget which wheel it is. Alrighty guys, same thing as we did on the other side. Put them on, line the holes up. Seems about right. The impact really makes things a lot quicker. I just snug them until I get it on the ground, and then I tighten it by hand. And we're back, we're doing the front. I like to tighten in a crisscross pattern. Tighten them up. And as I'm doing it, I'm counting to 5 so I know I did all of them. You should realistically go back around and check every one to make sure they're snug. All right, time to get the front jack stand out. Remember, be cautious of pinch points. Lower your car down nice and easy. Come back over, tighten everything up. Oh, that one's low. Put your caps on, and that's it, guys. Just put everything away. And guys, I can't stress it enough. Definitely check your oil before you leave. I'm at an Autozone right now. They actually take the oil, which is awesome. Heading over to Planet Fitness real quick. It's actually kind of funny because I want to wash my hands, and because of COVID, I can't wash my hands in Autozone. But I can go to my gym and wash my hands, and conveniently, check this out. My gym's in the same parking lot. Yeah, baby! We want to wash up a little bit. And that's about it. Adios.